Okay, we're gonna cut in a window. This is the front door, entry door, and this is the front wall. The patio's out here. And we're cutting out a window. It's gonna be 4 foot long and 3 blocks high. And what I've got is a piece of acrylic that I'll score to fit in here. So I'll put trim around it on the outside, put the window in, and then trim around the inside. It won't be a operable window, but it'll be a piece of Lexan or plastic glass or whatever that we can see out. I'm doing this in the middle of the night. I don't know. Anyway, drilled a hole. I'm gonna sawzall down with this big long sawzall. And then I'm gonna cut across on that seam. Cut across on this seam just to clear up any glue or nails or screws or what have you. Then I'll put another hole, go down, and then see if I can knock that out. I don't have my other cameras with me, so just doing the best I can with just me and a phone. I need to start bringing my cameras. Anyway, yeah, let's get started. Okay, it's sawed here, all the way across, up and over. Okay, so I knocked the bottom. I had to cut the bottom. So when I'd cut, I guess I cut at a slope instead of flat. So it didn't want to go out. But I had to cut the bottom one a little bit. I knocked the bottom one in, and then this should. Couldn't find my sledgehammer. So this I have to do. Okay, got a big hole now. The reason why I picked this size, or this place, go any higher, so you'd be seeing the top of this rail. This is my standing head height. So if I took out more, I'd be seeing this anyway. If I could, went further this way, which would have been fine, but now I've got to put in this plexiglass, but hopefully it should open it up, make it more light in here. And I've got a viewing window, sort of. Okay, didn't have my camera again. I need to work on this YouTube thing, but anyway, got the piece of plastic to fit. I took a router and routed the bottom edge here so the window would kind of sit in it, and then it's perfectly the perfect size once it sits in that little groove that it will go flush against the top of the gap up here. All right. So I took and put the bottom piece in here. That's already cut with 45s. Now this wood, I just had some leftover poplar at my wood shop. So I cut it into 2-inch pieces, cut it on 45s. I did the inside at 47.5, which, you know, just a hair in the plastic. Anyway, I got this top piece just held with one little nail. What I'm going to do is I'll measure this, see what the inside needs to be, and I got to go up and cut 2 pieces for this. On the inside, the same leftover poplar had a, once I cut that, it was probably a 7-inch wide piece or whatever. Once I'd cut that, the two-inch pieces off, I had this piece left over. So I put a 40-inch piece here, 48-inch piece here. I had 2 other pieces I put here and here. That makes the backstop for the window, so the window can't come in anymore. So that's done. The plexiglass is in. And then what I'll do is I go up there, cut those 2 pieces, put them out there, right? I'm gonna caulk around this, but I mean, it's pretty much sealed. And then I've got some outdoor polyurethane I'm gonna spray just over the wood. It's not gonna get wet because it's a covered roof, but I'm still gonna spray it. Just gotta cut these other 2 pieces in, tack them on, and you want to see how far the wood shop is from here? It's not that bad. Let's put this sucker in reverse. Here we go forward. Okay, wood shop, cabin. And we're at the wood shop, which is a mess because I've been moving from my other property. But here's my wood shop. There's a little break room area in there. And anyway, let's get to cutting. Okay, got my 2 pieces of wood cut. Let's hope they work. Oh, look at that. Okay, let's see. Sealed.